This is what to say when the cops say,
"You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law."
Step 1, repeat after me. I invoke the 5th, and I want to talk to a lawyer. And step 2, don't say another word after that. If you do, you waive your right, and it may be used against you in court. The 5th allows you to never admit to anything, so use it. Things cops can do to you that you can't do back. If you get pulled over and the cop says,
"License and registration?"
legally you have to give it over.
But if Mike tries to say,
"What's your name and badge number, officer?"
legally I don't have to do jack.
Some police departments make officers verbally identify themselves, but it's not required by law. Some states have laws that make them display it, but they don't have to say it. Some people think that is unfair and that police conduct should be more transparent.
There! You're talking to the wrong guy! Get out the court!
What is... Hey man, I think there's a cop outside your house.
What? Hey man, get your dog off my property. Why? You're letting his dog stay.
Oh, hey, Mike.
Jeremy, pick up after him this time. So what's the problem? I'm just using my dog here to sniff around your property without a warrant or probable cause. Okay, yeah, that's literally the problem. You need to have one of those things to bring your dog around here. So I'm being a bad boy? Very bad. Everyone knows you can plead guilty or not guilty, but did you know there's a third option? It's called no contest. Most courts require permission for this. It means you'll take the punishment, but not the guilt. You don't get a trial, it goes directly to punishment. But here's the benefit. If you're sued civilly for the crime, they can't use it against you like if you plead guilty or lost the case. This is what you do when the cops say, "I'm writing you a ticket for a broken taillight." But my taillight's not broken. Now it is. Police misconduct can take many forms, but when an officer's actions are illegal or inappropriate, follow these steps. 1. Prioritize your safety. Don't argue with the officer or try to escalate the situation. You're allowed to film the interaction, but don't fight on site. Wait for the court date. 2. File a report. Remember, officers can still face criminal charges like anyone else. 3. Talk to a lawyer. You might be able to get compensation in a civil suit.
Turn to your right.
Why do cops take mugshots? Cops take mugshots to keep a record of suspects, but they use it for other things too. Mugshots can show how a suspect looked when arrested, and this may help with the case, or may contradict what the police officer said.
Yeah, the perp caused a 3-car pileup. Every car was totaled.
Really? There's not a scratch on.
I had to arrest someone.
They can also be used for...
Is this the man who stole your donuts?
Yeah, that's him. Were you able to get them back?
Oh, no. Sorry, man.
Is it legal to flip off a cop?
Hey,
You can, but it doesn't mean you should do it.
hey, who do you think you are, Law-by-Mike?
Hey, it's protected by the First Amendment.
I know, but it hurt my feelings.
I'm sorry, I didn't see it that way. Is there anything I can do to help?
Can I still arrest you and bring you to the station? You make me feel better.
Oh, hi. I'm serving justice at the moment. Thanks for dropping in. If you liked that video, you can find more of them by liking and following my Facebook page, or at any of my other links below. Thank you for being part of the Law Squad. I'll see you later. Same law time, same law channel.